It has arrived. I live in Romania, in East Europe, and unfortunately there are not a lot of, I don't know, fancy things that you could buy here, especially if you watch a lot of reviews online and if you are into like backpacks and everyday carry on all sorts of stuff into traveling. You cannot find a lot of things that you can buy. I ordered a backpack for my wife. I was watching a lot of YouTube videos and I thought, okay, let's try to find an affordable backpack that's great for traveling. This year we'll be traveling a lot. We've already been to Thailand. We spent 1 month there, and there are a lot of, I don't know, a couple of more trips that are coming soon. So I thought, let's try to find the proper backpack that's lightweight. I was buying a lot of photography type backpacks, but I wanted to try something else. So long story short, I ordered this one. This is a Tomtoc T66. I found this online. It just arrived. Let's try to open the package and see what we have in here. This package arrived from Poland. It took like a week and a half or something to get here. So I hope it's gonna be a nice backpack. Let's open it and see what we have inside. Okay, so I have this. Oh, nice packaging. This feels nice. This feels like high quality. I was checking a lot of videos online with the reviews. This is not like a proper review. It's just like the first impression. But I was checking a lot of videos and people said that it's like actually a really nice backpack. It's good for taking tech gear, but also clothes and other things, other essentials. And it's super sturdy. It's some well spent money for this, and it was pretty affordable. On their website it says it's $88 or something like that. It's pretty affordable. But yeah, first impression, it looks so nice. Premium materials, as you can see. I love the fact that you can like open it widely and access all the pockets. I'll try to fill this up. Okay. What I can see is it has a laptop sleeve in here and also a tablet sleeve. Probably you won't add both of them, both a laptop and a tablet, because it's going to be heavy. So this backpack, my wife is going to use this backpack, and we're not going to load a lot of things in here. There is a pocket inside, and what's cool is there are some security, don't know how to call these. Ziplocs, not ziplocs, but still. And there is another pocket in here, or section, that you can access from the inside. So if we unzip this, we basically get a chance to look into the main compartment or something like that. There is also like a hard cardboard thing, I think. I'm not sure if it's plastic, I think it's cardboard. And then we can also, I think, open this part somehow from the outside. So this, as I was saying, this is not a full review. This is just my first impression, but it looks good. So you can open from this side, as I can see, but also from the inside. This might be one section or where you can put like tech stuff. And here you can put all the clothes. This is like a big open space. People were suggesting online maybe they could add like an additional pocket over here or something with another pocket with some net or something like that. But it looks great. There is also like another pocket in here for easy access. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. It has also a strap in here. I'm not sure if you can see that. There is also a strap on the back that you can load on top of your suitcase. Super nice. I'll have to check. Oh, so here there is another handler that you can use. I'll have to try to load it up. It looks pretty nice. I'll load it up. I'll try to get used to it. Also, I'll let my wife use it for a bit and see what she thinks about it. So far it looks great. It looks nice. It's not heavy, and hopefully she's gonna enjoy using it in our future travels. If you like this quick hands-on on the backpack, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna create more videos about our travel journeys, and yeah, stick around and see you with the next one.